So welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So basically today's video is my living room tour. I live with my husband Sunday, and we basically bought this house in May 2017. When we bought this house, it was pretty much in need of so much work. It was basically quite outdated and it wasn't really to our taste and to our liking, but we literally could see the potential in it. We were happy to buy it, and as I've previously said, we really weren't looking for a house where you could buy and you could just do it up and add value to it. And yes, so we were really eager to buy like a project. We went for this particular project. I'm gonna put some picture in now as well so you guys can see how it looked like and how much we just had to literally see past what it was and look at the potential. And if it's all about, for us, it was all about location. So as long as it was in the right location, we were happy to do the work to get it to what it needed to be. So yeah, so that talking too much. So yes, we've done up our living room. That was one of the first things that worked. Also, as you guys know, I have a vlog channel, the Sanyas. I put a video up of our living room tour, so if you guys want to see two versions of this, you're more than welcome to see that as well. But I thought it was quite important for me to do one for you guys. You know, you guys are like amazing, and I appreciate everybody that subscribed so far. Like, I just thought it was so important for me to come on this channel and do a video for you, for my, you know, my I don't know what to even call you, my family, really, my family, my angels, I don't know, you guys are just, yeah, I don't know, I need to think of a name. But yeah, I just thought it was important for me to come up here and do a video so you guys get to see as well what's happening and to keep you in loop with what's going on with the house. Yeah, in this room, so basically what we first did, going back, we decided that we were going to separate. The living room was quite long. It was like a really long living room diner. We didn't want it to be a living room diner, so we've decided we're going to separate it off. Created a wall first in the middle, so and then that's made the room isolated. It's a proper living space now. So we put the wall up, and then we decided also that we wanted to do something different with the ceiling. We didn't want to just have like a basic type ceiling. So while we were doing up the wall and things, we made sure we redid the ceiling as well. So basically Tunde took down the whole ceiling, like what was up before. He took it down, and after that we then obviously put in the new ceiling, made sure it was insulated. And we wanted to make sure that we had like something a bit different in terms of the design of the ceiling. We put some spots and we put some LED lights which create the colours, and obviously with the colours you can change colours. We've got the remote for it actually, so I've got it right here, so literally I can just change the colours using this remote to whatever colour I like. It's got pink, it's got blue, it's got everything, like, and also the remote allows you to like make up, like, it's got like some DIY options, so you can make your own colours as well and all sorts. I've not really ventured into that just yet. I literally normally have it on blue or pink because it just looks pretty. And then obviously with the TV unit as well, what we did was we made sure that we didn't have any cables showing. So then I worked on that wall to get it back to brick. So we are currently on site, aka our house. Before the wall was skimmed, ready for painting, we made sure that we left some spaces in there where we could put all the cables. Cables are just like hidden behind and stuff. So actually doing it from scratch allowed us to do those amazing things like hide the cables, so it all just looks quite seamless in its way. And we also went for like a really nice radiator. We decided to go for like a designer radiator because well, they call them design radiators, but it's just basically a radiator that's not the common sort of like white radiator. I wanted something different, so we think it looks really pretty, so we went for that, and took out obviously the old radiator that was in here. We also went for like sockets with like USB cables in them and things like that. So obviously we had the opportunity to pick what sockets and switches and stuff we wanted, so that was quite good. And then we've got like dimmable switches and stuff, so with the spots you can actually dim them, even with the main light as well you can dim that. And yeah, so we had the opportunity to choose that really, so that was quite good. And then we're also flooring. Oh my gosh, flooring was such a hard decision, guys. Like, I knew I really wanted like a grey. I love greys and whites, so I knew I really wanted like a grey kind of flooring and stuff. So Tina and I were after like a dark grey initially, but then when we saw, as we kept going around and we started like refining our search, we thought, oh, what if we went for like a white grey? And then we found this beautiful like white grey flooring, and we absolutely love it. We have to clean it pretty much every 2 days, or like I have to like give it a good brush every 2 days, but it's worth it. It looks pretty, it's aesthetically pleasing, and yeah, so I love that. I love the flooring. Behind me here is one of our favourite pieces in this room as well. So we actually have bought our sofa. This is like our proper main sofa. I believe it's a 4-seater actually. It's basically like grey, and it's got these like lovely buttons on it, and so it's got like, it's like a button back, and I just think it's so pretty. Yeah, so obviously grey is what we're going for, so we love the grey, and it came with like 2 cushions. I love the edge of the sofa, and it's quite thick, so whenever I'm reading a book I can put it there. I can fit so much in there. I can literally like rest my head on it like that. It's just like a big enough space really, and I like that. And obviously if you want to like lean on it, you get it. But I love this sofa. So this is like, this sofa is the Asha from DFS. It comes with like a footstool, so I'll quickly show you that. Feet up basically. I love it. I love that I can put my feet up. Obviously you can sit on it. It's quite comfy. So I've just stuck these lights on, so it does come without the lights. You can see it better there. And yeah, and then also I've got this throw. Oh, so soft. It's just so soft and so long, and it's really big actually. So if you're looking for like a really big throw, then Costco is your man. Well, okay, not your man, but Costco is your it. Like Costco is what you're looking for basically. So this is from Costco. It's like super soft, and obviously going with a grey theme. It's grey. That throw is like literally amazing. I do love it. So on the floating shelf, what we've got, I want to work from left to right. So we've got these 2 lanterns on the floating shelf, which I absolutely love. So it's basically, one of them is like a white one with a silver bit, and the other one's just like silver. And I just think they look so nice, especially when we've got the candles on as well. They just add a nice touch to the room. We did say to ourselves when we get our house, we're gonna be like absolutely candle lovers, because I just feel like candles are so nice. They have that romantic feel to them as well, and they have that whole, like, they just create a different ambience. So anywhere I can put a candle at the moment, I am putting a candle. And then we've got the light box. So at the moment it just says Konge Sanya, but obviously you can have that say anything that you want. And then another candle. So that candle is just, it's the same scent as the one that's in one of the lanterns, and I love that scent. It's beautiful. That candle is actually from B&Q actually, in case you're wondering. And we've got a wedding photo. So the frame that our wedding photo was in, that one's from Debenhams. I love that wedding photo. I thought I'll put that one there for now. And then I love how obviously another candle, I love how the candle shines particularly on that frame, on that photo. So I always love letting a candle in front of it. Then we've got like the flowers just on the side of it, and the flowers kind of go well with the background of our wedding photos. So the flowers are just basically they're artificial, so I don't have to water them. They do fine just there. Obviously we've got sound bar. At the moment, mount that up just below the TV, but at the moment the sound bar is currently just hanging there. So we've kind of tried to keep it minimal. We don't want to flood the whole floating shelf with loads of stuff. And obviously it's got the drawers anyway, so anything that doesn't need to be there will be in the drawer really, and just keep it kind of clean. I'm hoping to get a ladder in the very corner, and this throw will just hang in on that ladder. So either like a black or grey ladder, I'm not sure yet. And I really want to have a way to incorporate books into this room as well. So maybe in the other corner, but I've not decided how yet, but I just feel like books will be good in here. I said I'd love on this wall here, I would love to have like a whole like feature wall going on here, where it's like all in the back, just on top of this sofa here. I want to have like a mirror, like a round mirror on there. And there's a picture that that I love of me and Tunde from Santorini that we want to also put on the back wall, but I'm gonna have it like in an acrylic glass. And on this wall it's gonna be like loads of pictures, and then we're gonna have a sofa there, but like a cuddler, one of them that kind of turns. It's only like a 2-seater sort of thing, and on there, and that should be it. And obviously I'm looking forward to getting a rug on the floor as well. That will make the room like a lot more warmer and cozy. Yeah, once everything's in, I'll put them all up at the same time, and then it will be like this and an update again. So that's gonna be nice. But so far this is it. It's amazing, we love it, and it just shows you like what you can do if you put your mind towards like a renovation project. And like it is possible. Like if you ever thought, should I get an old house and do it up, like it's possible. You can do such amazing things. And a lot of people have asked us, where did you get your ideas from, how do you know what you want? I think we always just had like a clear vision of what we wanted, and we knew that we wanted to have, we wanted the whole house wanted to be full of creativity, hence the way we did the ceiling and stuff. So we knew all of that. But in terms of like actual like finer details, most of them I do get from Pinterest or Instagram. You'd be surprised how many lovely pictures you see on Instagram of like homes and stuff, especially those like Scandinavian homes. Oh my gosh, like it's just, they're just like literally like my inspiration is those Scandinavian homes, guys. Like those houses are like, you need, if you don't know, you need to like get onto those pages on Instagram, guys. They're just like they're amazing, seriously. Like I just think, wow. And their houses are so like minimalist, and they're like greys and whites, which is what I absolutely love. So I just love those pages. But I don't want to bore you in this video, but if you're at all interested in the detail of the house in terms of like plastering, like how we skimmed it, how we insulated it, where we insulated, what we did, the electrics, if anybody's interested in like the specific details, I can always do a video on that. I absolutely love how this room's turned out, and it's just served as such a source of inspiration for how we can keep going on, and even how our downstairs toilet looks. Like every time I look at these two rooms, I'm just like, oh, this is like amazing. Like I wouldn't have imagined us doing this, but it's just so beautiful to see that we can actually renovate our house. And yes, we are living in it. For the people that have wondered, we have lived in it as we've kind of done it up and stuff. But anyway, guys, I think that is everything for this video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this room tour. Hopefully you've enjoyed getting to a little bit of the journey and where we came from and what we're doing. And as I said, if you did want any more details or wanted us to do a certain detailed video, obviously just let us know and I could do that. And don't forget to check out the one on our channel as well, on our vlog channel, the Sanyas. That's a different edit, and that one goes into a little bit more in-depth stuff in terms of building stuff. Asuna talks us through that as well, so don't forget to check that one out as well, in case if you want to see different angles. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Feel free to share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. And yes, guys, and comment below as well. Let me know what you guys think, what's your favorite part of the room. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video next week. Bye.